Ever downloaded a file and found it zipped up, looking like a mysterious package on your Android? Today, we're cracking the code on how to open those zip files like a pro, unlocking the content within your Android device. First, you'll need a file manager. The built-in file manager on your Android might already do the trick, but if not, head over to the Google Play Store and download a free file manager app. In the Play Store, type File Manager into the search bar and choose one with good reviews. There are many free options available. Tap the Install button and wait for it to download. Now that you've got your File Manager app, tap the icon to open it. Locate the folder where your zip files are saved. Usually the Downloads folder is the default. Find the zip file you want to open. Next, tap on the zip file once. Most file managers will give you a menu of options. Look for an option like Extract, Open, or Extract All. If presented with multiple options, the Extract All option is a useful way to get everything out of the zip file. Tap that. You may be asked to choose a destination folder for the extracted files, such as creating a folder named after the zip file, then select Extract. The file manager will then begin extracting the contents. Watch the progress bar as it works. Once it's finished, your files will be available in the destination folder. Now, just tap on the extracted files to view documents, images, or anything else that was inside the original zip, and that's it. You've successfully opened a zip file on your Android. Unzipping files keeps your content accessible. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tips, and make sure to share this video with your friends.